All right, folks. So we've been through Pep. Well, I have. She was more common entrance.
Are you really seriously? You sure you want to meet? Okay, yeah, okay, yeah.
We've
Okay.
been through CSEC. I have.
Yeah.
She was GCE.
Yeah.
And then them keep trying to give us things that they think would be difficult for us, and then we just knock it very easy. So in this morning's fun stuff, we'll be shown an album cover, and then we'll have to sing or say a line from any of the tracks featured on the album. It's a simple thing. So just bring up the
So
first.
wait,
so
are we
she
gonna
will
get-
sing if she know it. I will say if I know it.
If we choose a track, do we get the music bed to sing to the track, or do we sing?
No, we want you a cappella, and I will right behind you, working it out for you. All right. So, to be fair, they're not going to know which one we're going to do, so it's probably hard for them to bring it up. All right, let's go to the first album cover. Mama, you carry me for 9 months.
No, come over here.
Solid as a rock. It's something or the other.
They just can't stop me now.
It's a very simple thing. I told you all that.
Even if they set roadblocks,
make
they
sure that
just
they're on the
can't
album.
stop me now.
It's on the album, right? Well,
Da, 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 da,
I
da,
need to
da,
give
da,
Sheffield
ba,
some
ba,
credit
ba,
for
da,
that
da,
one,
da,
actually.
da. Sheffield's going to help us. Oh. Wow.
I need to give Sheffield some credit.
Wow, you said you're going to support. Wow, that's not how you support.
Okay, I'm supported. All right, next one. Don't give us something
Next
difficult,
album.
man. Sure. That's Janet Jackson.
Shauna, tell us, okay,
I know
Shauna,
her
help us.
personally.
Tell us a song on the album and we sing it. What's the most popular
Hold
song
on,
on
no.
that album?
Talk about this weed thing, you know, careful.
Tell Neville in his earpiece, because I don't have on one. One, anyone.
Careful what you say,
What she
we.
say?
Apparently,
Shauna,
them,
can we get a song
apparently
on the
them
album?
don't know it either. What's the album name?
Janet, so I'm going to Google it.
So the album name, Janet, I
Songs
think.
on album, songs on
She said, don't mess with that good thing. You know that, too, ne?
song. No. Songs on, me nah left it
So
to
why we
that.
don't just move on?
Songs on Janet album.
But you know any of them, though?
That's the way love goes. Ooh. That's the way love goes.
Ooh.
That's what?
I know that you did say. I know that you did say.
That's the way love goes and goes and goes.
Oh, the ooh, no, no. We think the ooh. Come on, run the other one, man. All right.
Oh,
I know this one.
I don't remember
I
the
know
songs
this album.
on the album.
I actually
but-
have this album.
So sing something.
I can't remember, though.
I gotta tell you something, boys.
2 men.
If I could just type it.
Me no know. Come.
No, don't give up. We don't give up, Nev. We don't
No,
give
we
up.
don't give
We
up. We
cheat,
just-
but
no,
we
no.
don't give up.
I don't cheat.
So we're gonna
I just don't
search.
know. I just don't know.
Okay, so I'm doing just fine. So oh, getting along very well without you in my. I don't need you in my life. Big tune. Oh no, not you. Ooh, come. Okay, let's do this one. You do this one.
Can you stand
Yeah.
I don't know that. Marcel. Marcel,
Next
you
album.
look serious with that phone there. Come on, man.
Come, Shauna, we don't have time. Oh. Better watch it on the corner.
Wasn't me.
Let me say it in town now.
Well, actually, it was me.
Of course, it is always you, sir. It is always.
Actually, to be honest,
It is-
it was me. If you look round the corner, it was me. Looking at my car, please, it was me.
Problem, you know. Problem. All right,
All
next
right,
one.
so we got that one. Come again. Who that?
Tanya Stevens, Gangsta Blues. This is a big album.
I have that album too.
So sing something, the man.
Can't remember.
No, we have to come T. Sorry, T. I have to Google it.
I don't know my part of this song already.
No, if you come in here with any, we're gonna have a problem.
They know my part of this song. That me and the backup.
Tanya Stevens.
Me and the backup singer.
Gangsta Blues album. Full album. What's on this now?
You know.
Hey. Come, turn it up there, people. come, Nev. We know that one now. Ready?
Yeah.
Turn it up now, people. It's a pity. You already have a wife.
Who, me? No.
And me done have a man in my life.
Send me here.
Good boy, it is a ray. All right, good. We'll boss up that one. Next one.
Hold on, wait. Well, it's me getting it for the you, you know.
We're here all week.
For the you.
Good boy, it is a next tune, next album. Halfway Tree. Come, chef.
What else is on Halfway Tree?
Oh my God.
No, man, there's another tune on Halfway Tree.
Damn, man. So sing it, Nev.
Me have this album too, you know? I can't remember.
See, I know the songs, but I don't know which albums they're on. Tree.
We'll see.
This is what Chef was singing.
She needs my
I'm
love.
still searching for it.
I'm to catch a fire.
Do. Stop saying ooh. Would you be so kind? That's the tune. That tune. Come, you know. Ready? Would you be so? Show me a sign. Come, the flag man. Decent. Decent, you'll be running. You're not even going in time to you. I need a new flag, man.
No, sir.
Yes.
A flag man, you're fit. You never breathe hard.
Bojo, till Shiloh. Oh gosh, Shiloh, he plays Rastafari name.
Boko.
I am living while I'm living to the Father I will pray.
Why not look it up? We get it already. We get that
True
already.
every day, all the heights in the prize.
Is which one? Also, on the one we not get, you know.
Why? We got about 6.
No, we never get Janet. We get everything
Why
else.
I
Guys, chef in everything, you know.
People are ripping
We done? One more?
Bag.
Give me something difficult, man. Oh, that
I
difficult.
know many Tony Braxton tunes on this album. Neville, if you come back in here with you and I are going to have a problem.
I'm going to hear that tune next week. And
Tony.
the whole night you're going to hear, ew. I don't know what to say.
Don't leave me in all this pain.
I would never leave you, darling.
Don't leave me out in the rain.
I have an
Something.
umbrella.
Turn on the music, let me hear in the day.
Me have an umbrella.
Go on now. Turn on the music a bit. Don't let you in all this pain. Don't leave me out. You're gone too far. Do. Bring back the something another. Come and take my tears away. I need you now.
I am right
so
here.
Hold me close. Nights so what's going on here?
You just say you need me to hold you.
Bring back the nights when I held you beside me and break my heart. Say you love me. Is he gonna say ooh? Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door, walked out of my life. Uncry these tears. I cried so
We are going like you are. Leave out me you. You forget say it was me. Oh, by the way, that tune is not on that album. You see, that tune is not on that album.
Take back that sad word. Goodbye. Oh, sorry. Wow.
Oh, one more EU me go let off before we
Dance like a forward.
like noise abatement reach us. 7:03 in the morning. Stop it. Noise abatement reach us. Dance done.
Shauna say, rap that. Oh, my.
Dance done, mic done, everything. Voila. All right. That was a fun stuff. I actually enjoyed that. All right. So up next, we talk to the founder of Stone Love Sound
Oh, gosh.
about their